Hey guys, so today is part 2 of the video from the last video. So you guys probably saw that there's so many musky bites and everything, and the musky are going crazy. So we've got the musky rod ready here, and we've got a bunch of baits ready to hopefully try out and hopefully catch that musky. So that's gonna be our goal for today, hopefully catch a musky. And yeah. Okay guys, we're on our first spot. Getting the musky rod out, put it on, setting it crappie. Oh, I'll try this perch actually. There we go. This thing's heavy.
So you're going for musky, but I'm going for crappie.
Yep. Where was it again? It was like, oh my god. Did something hit it or was that the ground? Damn it, I thought it was a bite. Okay, it's out. Another tree. My heart dropped every time it hit. Fish? Oh, Jacob's got a small fish.
What?
Oh.
Doing some microfishing.
I'm waiting for that musky to come up and get it.
Sounds alright. That only way to happen. Small bluegill.
Morning.
Morning.
Nope. Nothing. We've tried so much. Maybe he's only active in the afternoon. You see that? You see that? A musky just jumped. A musky just jumped right for my bait. Oh my god, dude, that was so cool how it just jumped. No, the small one, but how wide did it miss? Come on, man. Oh, yeah.
The water's warm.
We can't catch musky, but we can catch crappie. Fish. Nice little crappie. Nice. Fish on. It's another nice crappie. Oh, there he goes.
Very super. Raining more.
Ooh, it's like nice. Oh, that was a pike. That was a pike.
What happened?
I had a big pike on. I saw it.
Yeah.
It was not a big one, but it was like a 22 inches. Hey, the big fish came out. Play. Maybe the musky are out now. Fishing in the rain, fishing in the rain. Oh, how fun it is to fish in the rain. Okay, we're back again after that rainstorm. Back on the lake. Doggy! It's a dog.
Yeah.
In the window.
Oh, so cute.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Slow. We had one muskie jump this morning, but he missed. Leave this spot, and then this is the anchor. What? It looks like a hair. Right by the grass line. Look at that, right next to the boat. You see that? Another nice crappie. Not on this edge. We've caught a couple crappie, but that's it. We've caught mostly everything on that side.
The other side?
Yeah.
How about you guys? Started. Okay.
Nice. Big
Rock bass.
Nice small rock bass.
Over there by those pine things.
Oh, cast there. That's the smallest rock bass ever. Oh my god, okay. Okay, release him. Got a nice crappie. Oh, there he goes. Dude, why is my bait turning blue? Look at the bottom of the minnow. Just hold it. Turning blue. Not well, it's just crappie and panfish, yeah. We had one muskie jump up this morning, but he missed. Yeah. We caught, yesterday we had 2 northerns over on the island over there. But yeah, otherwise it's been slow today.
Crappies, you said?
Yeah, pretty much that's it. I had one small rock bass that big.
They always say to catch that first rock bass, that means the walleyes are coming right after them.
Ooh.
They never do. Maybe once, that's why we say it.
Yeah, all the way at the end of that, he caught a nice 22-inch walleye.
Nice.
On the same thing he has on right now.
Yeah, between the 2 islands, right up against the one that's on the, going this way on
Yeah.
the side, we just would drop jegs down there as it's getting dark, and we'd usually bring 1 or 2 keeper-sized walleyes back.
Yeah, that's where we would catch all the rock bass. Like we caught some nice fat rock bass there too.
That's where our saying came from, is you catch a rock bass in there, and just within a half hour you catch a walleye.
That's cool.
Haven't been fishing much though.
Yeah.
Nice. This small little perch. That's just me jerking the bait and just wait for it to set the hook. It's gonna go, mate. It's gonna go flying. Yeah. Okay, release him. There he goes.
Did you?
I don't know. Nope. I don't know, but I pulled something. Oh, my heart's going again. I don't know, I think I was pulling a log or something. It's just something heavy. Oh, that's the bit one from yesterday. Show me this. Show me the side of him. Jesus Christ. That looked in the exact same spot of yesterday.
Think it might be the one?
I think it might be the one that got hit yesterday. Or it just got hit while you were reeling it in, but.
Oh, I would have felt it.
But. And Jacob's got a nice small perch again. You're having some fun catching those.
They're not biting non-stop, but.
Could be better, couldn't it be?
You know, they don't even want to get the artificial baits like
Don't know.
that one evening. Where did that get us?
Nice crappie.
On this stuff? What in the world? That's a first. On a deep water?
Well, we've been trolling with them when we caught him.
Yeah, but just throwing and retrieving it? It looks like a minnow though. Okay, gonna come back in the water.
Uh-oh. Hold on to him, hold on to him. He's gonna be fine, he's gonna be fine.
Oh, there he goes.
Yep, he's... I saw a crappie. And he's back in the water.
What?
We should leave soon. Last cast.
Thanks
for watching, guys. As you can see, today wasn't that much of a successful day of fishing for muskie. We tried. I've done over 5,000 casts at least, and we haven't really caught any muskie. But yeah, Jacob was out here catching all the fish with the crappie, perch, and yeah. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.